Hello, my name is Fernando Anguiano, and today I will show you how to write an essay following the MLA style. I thought it would be useful for me to make this video, especially for the freshmen who need to be prepared for the large amount of essays that they will have to do throughout their high school years. Essays are not fun, but you still need to know how to write one appropriately. In this video, I will be going over the details of the MLA style and give a few tips to help you when writing essays within this structure. First, you need to type your paper on a computer. It's difficult to follow the MLA format in handwriting. Plus, most teachers will require your essays to be typed. You need to use a legible font, like Times New Roman. And the font size should be 12. Second, you need to set the margins to 1 inch on all sides, and you can do this by going to the Layout tab, Margins, and setting it to normal, or the ones that have 1 inch margins all around. Third, you need to change the line spacing to double spaced, unless otherwise instructed by the teacher. The teacher might tell you that it needs to be single spaced, but usually it's double spaced, so you set it to double spaced. Fourth, list your name, your teacher's name, the course, and the date on the left corner of the first page. So we'll just use my name, so Fernando Anguiano. Teacher's name, I'll just put Mr. Gum. The course, so it'd be Tech Film. Then the date, and today is 20th of October 2016. The fifth step is to press enter after the date. So once I finish the date, press enter and write the title of the essay. So let's say MLA Format Video, and center the text by clicking on the center alignment. The sixth step is to press enter again and indent the first line of the paragraph by pressing the tab key. You do this step for every single paragraph or every new paragraph that you start. So let's just say this is a very informative video. And if I want to start a new paragraph, I would press enter, then tab once again. This is a new paragraph. So these are all the steps to write your essay using the MLA format. It's very easy, very simple. After you write multiple essays, you'll get the hang of it. So now I want to show you an example of an essay that follows the MLA format. Here's an example, and it shows you the different points that I mentioned in the video. So the 1 inch margins, the double spacing, and an indent in the paragraph, as well as the title that's centered and it's after the date. Name, teacher's name, course, and the date on the left hand corner of the first page. So now some tips in regards to the MLA format and writing your essay in general. First tip that I have for you is to follow the teacher's instructions, because every teacher is different and they'll probably give you different instructions different from the MLA format. Some will say to write your essay single spaced. Some will tell you to write using a different font, maybe the default font that comes with Microsoft Word, which can be Calibri or Cambria. It just depends on the teacher, and make sure to follow their instructions on what format they want your paper to be. The second tip is to add a header that shows your last name and the page number. So you can do that by either double clicking on the top of the page, and it will give you an option to add a header. Then you would go to page number, top of page, and find the one that has the number on the top right hand corner. So it gives you the page number, but you're also able to add your last name or any sort of text up there along with the page number. So once you're done with that, you just close header, and there you go. So once you would go to the next page, it would copy on to the next one, but it would have your last name and the second page. And the last tip is to avoid plagiarizing or copying from sources without citing them. You need to learn how to cite your sources to avoid plagiarism and avoid trouble in general with your teachers or authorities. You can learn how to cite your sources and create a works cited page by following the link in the description, which will take you to a page called Purdue OWL, which is where I got the majority of the information that I showed here in the video, and you can find much more. It'll give you every single bit of information that you need in regards to MLA format. Any sort of questions, you can look on that page and it'll answer any questions or concerns that you have in regards to the style that I just showed you in this video. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative and you'll be more knowledgeable of the MLA format so that you can use in future essays. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.